Dzina langa ndina Inafi Masokoneza, ndimaphunzira ku Unity Private Secondary School. Ndine member wa Here Student ku Music Crossroads Malawi. Nde ndabwera pano kudzapanga kafukufuku wa maphunziro komanso maphunziro a music. Ndiye madam takulandirani muluza kumene mwachokera ndi zimene mmapanga.
Zikomo kwambiri. Inunso takulandirani.
Ziko
pano ndi pamulodza. Ine ndi mphunzitsi. Dzina langa ndine Mrs. Pascal. Ndimaphunzitsa subject ina iliyonse. Koma kwambiri ndimapanga za arts, expressive arts pasukulu pano. Nde inunso khala nomasuka takulandirani.
ziko tuyamba kufusani mafunso. Chifukwa tajazo ndina madam ndiye muti yankha kutengera mafunso ake ndakulandikirani.
Zikomo.
Funso loyamba. Is the distance to the nearest school reasonable?
Yes, it's reasonable.
Explain.
Okay. Around Mulodza, we have so many schools. We have Karieka, we have Nsambeta, we have Don Bosco, which is having 2 schools there. So the distance around these schools, it's less than 500 meters. For the learners to come to Mulodza, to the surrounding schools, it's a walkable distance.
In the schools, are there necessary textbooks and other learning materials available?
Part of it, they are not enough because the children are many. There are, but they are not enough.
At the school, do you have enough facilities such as classrooms, tables and chairs, toilets and playgrounds?
We have blocks, we have classrooms here at Mulodza. At least we have 48 classrooms, but they are not enough comparing to the learners we have here. Talking of chairs, we don't have. We are having one classroom which is having desks. You asked another thing there. You were saying what?
Playground.
We don't have a playground because the playground was used to build some classes. Yes.
Are children's right to education respected and supported?
Yes. The right of children are respected and supported because we have so many NGOs who comes here and help us how to do it with the learners.
Does the government provide information and technology facilities?
Not really. Before, they provided some computers, we had them, but now we don't have any. When they broke, everything was gone.
Are teachers well qualified? Are they friendly and helpful do they provide career talks to students?
Yes, the teachers are well qualified. All the teachers who comes here in government schools here in Malawi, they are all qualified. Concerning friendliness, yes, teachers are friendly to the learners.
Do your school have music classrooms, music curriculum and syllabus?
Not really. Before it has in the syllabus, but now it is combined with expressive arts. So a part of music, you find it there, maybe a topic or two. So it's not much.
There are music books and music instruments in the schools.
No, they are not there.
There are qualified music teachers in the schools.
No, they are not there.
Is music part of the timetable?
No, it's not there. It's combined with expressive arts.
Are learners able to read and write music?
No, they are not.
Do you think the government is seriously supporting music education in schools?
They are not. The government is not supporting music. Because if the government had to support music, it needs to provide the instruments there in the schools, even taking the teachers to teach them concerning music so that they can apply that knowledge to the learners. And that thing can help much in our schools.